The world in which we live is the result of the genius of visionaries who were able to transform the future they imagined into reality. Their ideas became inventions that have shaped the course of history. The Industrial Revolution seized the opportunities that new technology offered to bridge seemingly impossible distances, to produce cleaner and more plentiful energy, to communicate more easily and share information in a constantly changing world. We imagined a future in which collecting, processing and interpreting data in real time would allow us to understand complex phenomena and react quickly. We imagined it, then we turned it into reality. Now, UNOX ovens allow you to monitor their operation every day via internet. They suggest how to optimize their work to save energy. They propose recipes to exploit the full potential of the oven throughout the day. And they provide you with a complete usage report so you can attain the best possible results. With one purpose: to achieve the success that you imagined for your future today. UNOX. Data-driven cooking.